make this piece of mulberry that I got from a good friend of mine in Ohio, Keith Snyder. He cut down a tree last fall, and he gave me several chunks of this. So I'm going to see what I can turn this. I'm going to shoot for a cute little hollow form vase or pot, whatever you want to call it. But it should be interesting. I did turn some of this wood before, made a couple bowls out of it, and it's a beautiful, like, golden color wood. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna try to turn this and see what we can make out of it. I'm starting to get rounded here. Now let's see if I get a antenna on here. Alright, we got our tenon on there. Take our wind chuck. There we go. Now we take I'm already not too bad a looking shape here. I'm gonna go ahead and at the start of sanding with some 60 grit. If my face showed up. I already started sanding with some 60 grit here. I'm gonna go through all the grit, so you guys don't need to watch all that. But I'll bring you guys back when I'm starting to work on this and hollowing it out. Alright, got it sanded up to about 220, 240 grit. I went ahead and drilled a 1/2 inch hole down in the center. Now I'm going to try to hollow this out. I already did too many hollow forms, so I'm anxious to see how this works. Alright guys, been working on this for a little while. Got it about the depth I want it to be, just I got to work on the thickness of the walls here. But it's coming along, slowly but surely. Can't wait to get my Bosner bits and make it a lot more easier to do. But it's getting there, so let's continue trying to hollow this out. I switched to my carbide hollowing tool. I did a little research on them that you just want the rest to be on this thick wide part. You don't want it to be up in here because it has a tendency when it roll. So I got about where I need to be. Yeah, for working on the walls. So it's about 1/4 inch thick here and about 3/4 inch thick down in here. So I'm gonna start working on this walls a little bit here more and see if I can get this done without destroying it. Looks like we're pretty much there. Have to Oh, walls don't feel too bad either. All right. Take it down somewhere down here. I'm going to switch back to this round nose scraper and try to take some more down right in here and flatten off that bottom a little bit. So it's got like a little bump in down there. So let's see if we can get that done. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Sorry if my new face shield keeps getting in the way. I finally got myself a face shield. Yeah, not too bad. It's actually pretty nice and clean. I angled the round nose scraper, the carbide a little bit, and kind of did a shear cut on it a little bit. And actually made it pretty smooth. So, alright, I'm gonna attempt to sand some of this on the inside here, just to smooth it out and whatnot. And I'm gonna take it to air compressor and I'll blow all this dust out of it, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm ready to put the finish on it. Alright guys, I got it sanded and I'm got ready to put the first coat of sanding sealer on it. And it should make this green pop. So I use Deft sanding sealer. It's lacquer based sanding sealer. This is spot right here. It has a little character, almost looks like a bird flying in or something. As Phil would say, "What do you see in this wood?" from Shady Acres Wood Shop. Well, I see almost like a bird's wings that come down and its legs come down. Check out this freaking wood though. This color is like a golden color. It's beautiful. Alright, it's the first coat there. I'm just going to put another coat. I'm just going to put a coat on the inside and let it dry, and I'll come back and I'll sand it and put another coat on, and then I'll probably try to hit it with some friction polish, probably OB Shine Juice, be my guess. We'll see. Alrighty, I went ahead and put 2 coats of sanding sealer on there, and I sanded in between each coats, and I just did a little sanding on it just to kind of smooth out any kind of surface build up where it might have been too heavy. And I'm about ready to put some OB Shine Juice on. So far so good. It's looking pretty nice, really pretty colored wood. And let me get a paper towel here. There's a nice, nice real shine to it. A nice protective coat. Might go back and hit it with some maybe paste wax and really buff it and maybe get a really nice shine out of it that way also. The inside I put 2 coats of sanding sealer also in the inside. I'm not able to get down in here and put any of that kind of coating of the friction polish, the OB shine juice in there without possibly hurting fingers, a little tight fit. So I'm just going to let that be with the sanding sealer on the inside. It should dry up and seal up and make that real nice inside too. So if I have to come back and put a paste wax coating on there, I'll bring you guys back. If not, I'll show you guys the end results when I take it off the lathe and finish up the bottom of it. Alrighty guys, first I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I sure appreciate it. Like I said, I'm trying to get more content out here for you guys. Still work in progress here, but I appreciate every single one of you guys who view my channel and continue to come back and watch my stuff. And if you would, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please share these videos. That really helps the channel grow. It helps with YouTube, and it just, everything you guys can do helps me out, and I sure appreciate everything you guys do and continue to do and support me. But I'm gonna call this project done. I let the finish dry on it, and I went and chiseled off the bottom, and I sanded the bottom smooth, so it should be good to go. I just have to put my stamp logo in it and put some finish on the bottom of it, and she's done deal. But let's take a look at this project here. So I got a little nub in the bottom there I could not get. But she's a pretty little hollow form vase like. It's got those cracks, and that's what I was talking about earlier. If you ever watch Shady Acres Woodshop, Phil, he always seems to find some patterns or something in the wood, but this, I thought this kind of looked like a bird of some sort, its legs coming down, like maybe an eagle. And it's kind of pretty, kind of cool. This is really kind of pretty wood if you guys could see it. It's like a golden color wood, but that's the bottom. Like I said, I ended up chiseling the tendon we had on it, and I just sanded it. So what I got to do is put my stamp in it, put some finish on it, and this product be ready to be sold or given as a gift. Just neat little ideas that you can possibly do when you're starting out doing wood turning and whatnot. I learn as I go, so maybe next hollow forms and stuff will keep getting better and better. If you guys could see right there's my card. Has the MLC, which is like the stamp of stuff I put on my stuff, or if I carve a walking stick, I put MLC and the shaft of the walking stick. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any comments or something, feel free to put them down in the comment section. I try to answer anybody who's got any kind of questions or any kind of comments. I always get back to you guys. If you have any stickers or something, get with me. You can add some I can add some stickers to my sticker board. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and keep liking. Just help this channel grow. Thank you, guys, and remember, happy, safe woodworking, and I'll shout at you later.